It's Advent Calendar season, so if you want to see what's in QVC's 12 Days of Beauty, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is QVC's 12 Days of Beauty, and I believe it was like around $49. They did show you everything you were getting. Probably told you the size. I probably didn't pay too much attention. Last year, somebody opened up their beauty calendar. Might have been their 25 days. And I'll just tell you, it was under impressive. They had like little tiny samples like you would get in a magazine. Like the little tiny, yeah. But it looked like this was a little more promising. So I decided to go ahead and give it a shot. And here is how it looks. It doesn't have drawers. It has little push-ins. Looks like 5's already open. Number 1 is down here on the bottom. It was really hard to find because that one kind of just blended in. We have a full-size beauty product right off the rip. I feel like everything was full-size. If not, it didn't look tiny. This is by Mally Beauty. It is the Ever Color Shadow Stick in Moonlight Shimmer. I was going to save these for the holiday season and open them up with you guys, but then I thought some of you might want to open them while they're still available, might want to get them while they're still available if you like what's in them. Here's how it looks. All right, and there it is right there. It's a pretty color. Okay, here's number 2. I'm going to open that up. This is not the easiest way to do this, but we're going to do it anyway. I swear that this is this brand's product of the year. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Ultra Rich. This is, I believe, a $45 value. It's a half an ounce, but Elemis is very expensive. No longer cruelty-free, though, in case you didn't catch that on any of the other videos, because I have been getting this product a lot. Okay, 3 is up here. This is kind of small. Let's take a look. By IT. This is their Confidence in a Cream. Anti-aging armor. This is a deluxe sample, but again, it's not, I mean, for a $50 box, this is not a bad size for me. Okay, 4. This looks like kind of a small one. This is the Estee Lauder Beautiful Moments spray. Oh, that's quite lovely. That is quite lovely. Okay, 5 was that open one. And in here by RMS Beauty, we have the 24-hour Instantly Boost Hydration. What is it? Oh, Re-Evolve Radiance Locking Primer. Okay, 6 is the same size as 3. And that is the Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm by Algenist. This is 0.2 ounces or 5 milliliters. Okay, 7's real small. Hold on. There were 2 sample size perfumes in here. Remember when they used to give these away for free? This is by Rebecca Minkoff. It doesn't say what the scent is. We'll see. Oh, this is even better. Oh, I like that. Oh, 8 is really big. This is the Body Firm Crepe Erase Renew and Smooth Foot Peel. You know, I love a foot peel. Love it. I mean, I'm not gonna laugh. That was a palette because I don't even remember what was in here. Except I do remember the perfumes after I opened that. 9 is Sunday Riley A+. This is their, I think it's a retinol. What is it? High Dose Retinoid Cream. All right, 10 is big. It's probably not a palette though. This is the When Restorative Cleansing Conditioner. This is in the scent Joy. This is rice-based and gluten-free. It's Leaping Bunny certified. 11 is the Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. Love Bumble and Bumble. All right, let's see if 12 is a showstopper or not. I don't remember. I kind of think it is for this box. For the price of this box, I'm going to tell you. It is a Laura Geller Lip Action Lip Gloss, light color that hydrates and plumps in Hint. Now, you know I love a plumper. I got some on, but we'll put a little more on. Not this. I have my Sigma Beauty from my for Trend Mood box. All right, there's the color. I like that color. That's pretty. So that is my 12 Days of Beauty from QVC. This is from their line where they have the QVC boxes that are mostly samples, sometimes a full size. I forget what that's called. Try It, Love It. They're TILI boxes. So this is part of their TILI boxes. And a lot of times, if you wait, you can catch these things at like half off. So if you wait till like Black Friday and they still have these boxes, you'll probably get one for about $25. So if you're interested, stock it, keep an eye on it. When it drops, if you want it, snap it up then. But I still think it's good. I think it's still the value is there. And yeah, I'm pretty excited by it. All right, well, let me know your thoughts though. Is this something you're going to keep your eye on? See if you can catch it on a great sale. And they still have some TILI boxes in there, and some of them are marked down so cheap. It's like cheaper than it probably cost them more to put the box out than what they're charging for it right now. Okay, so thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.